this is the cold water based stable whipped cream, and this is the room temperature water based whipped cream. For all of you that have been wondering when I'm going to be releasing my stable whipped cream long form video, there you have it. Today is the day for that. And another good thing is I'm going to be teaching you 2 types of whipping styles. Okay, we'll be teaching you using the ice cold water, which is the typical style I always use, and I will also be teaching you using the room temperature water. Do you all believe that you can actually get your whipped cream stable even without using ice cold water or an ice cold bowl? I will be teaching you how I do that today because you all are the best. So let's go right into it now. So you all need to understand that once your recipe is good, you can use just about